Hey, this is Anthony from Duelist Extreme, and I'm at Josh's house. There he is. And I got today a structure deck. I've already opened it. Already opened no cards in. And I'm just going to show you what the cards I got. So, and I also got this Dark Emperor Duel Mat. It's pretty sick. I'll use it if I go to the tournament. So,
yeah, I'm new.
Shut up. Alright. So I got DD Survivor, Banisher of the Radiance, DDM Different Dimension Master, Dimensional Fisher, DD Dynamite, Macrocosmos, DD Warrior Lady, Bazoo the Soul Eater, Dark Core, Return from a Different Dimension. This is my secret wear. I don't know how to pronounce the first name. Whatever, you know, read that yourself. Helios of the Primordial Sun, Samsara Kaiser, DD Scalp Plane, by Order of the Emperor, Lightning Vortex, Dimensional Alchemist, DD Assassinant, whatever, DD Survivor again, Sakuresu Armor, Dimensional Fisher again, Enemy Controller, DDR Different Dimension Decarnation, Mythical Space Typhoon, Bottomless Trap Hole, Banisher of the Radiance, Green Magju de Iza, Big Bang Shot, Reinforcement of the Army, Golden Homunculus, Noble, No Minute Crossout, Soul Release, DD Warrior, Karma Cut, Brain Control, Kaiku the Ghost Destroyer, Chaos Rider, Goose Staff, Exile Force, and Torrential Tribute. 39 cards in there, and this is my secret wear, plus the Duel Mat and official rulebook. So, this is Duelist Extreme. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment.